Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. So here in this video I will teach you how you can swipe faces. So let's begin the video. Here you can see the home page. Here you have this thumbnail, recreate swipe faces. So as we want to talk about swipe faces, so I will just talk about this one. Here you can upload the media like the thumbnail, and here then you have to paste your own picture that you want to swipe with the thumbnail's picture. Other way is to generate. So I will just go and I will generate one. And later on I will also show you how you can do that with the media as well. So here I will just go and I will copy the link of this video, and I will go and I will paste this link in our app. So here just you have to paste the link that you have copied. Then here you have to select the inspiration width, like if you want similar to that one, or you want some variation, or you want in the medium face. So I will just go with the medium one here. You can go with the high or low here as well. And now in the end you can write the custom instructions if you have any. Otherwise you can go and you can generate. Now here you can see that our thumbnail has been generated, and you can see that it looks exactly similar to Mr. Beast. But here the face is not R. So how you can change the face here? So here the game begins of face swiping. So for that just you have to click on the swipe face, and here you have to upload the media, your own picture, your face picture with whom you want to change the thumbnail picture. I have selected this picture, so we'll just go and we'll upload that. And here now you have to click on generate, and you have to wait here for some time. And here you can see that our face has been swiped. So now let's go and try one more. This time I will try one from scratch. Here I will write a thumbnail from scratch and will create one, and we'll swipe the face in the end. So here now let's go and try one. Here I'm writing that create a picture divided into two halves, one half showing a poor man and the other half showing a rich man. Now here you can see that how our image turned out. So I will just go and will apply the swipe here as well. And now here you can see our image and our swipe image. So if I zoom to show you, this is the picture created previously, and here this is the picture created after swiping faces. You can see here the change in both these pictures. Here you can clearly see the change in both these pictures. This swipe face is applied only on one person at a time. Now here I will show you how you can swipe faces by uploading media. So let's go to swipe. Here you have to upload the thumbnail and then your picture that you want to swipe here. This is the thumbnail that I have chosen, and here I have just uploaded the thumbnail. Now I will just upload my face picture here for swiping, and this is my face picture, so just upload that and wait for the magic. And that's it, our picture has been swiped. You can see here clearly our face. Before that in the red picture you can see Ronaldo, but now we are here. That's how you can change your face by generating thumbnail, by recreating the thumbnail, or by uploading the media. Now here let's talk about how you can remove the watermark and how you can use it unlimitedly. So for using it unlimitedly and for removing this watermark, you just have to go and you have to upgrade. And here you can see the monthly and the annual prices. Here you have this essential and premium one. Here you can see the ultimate here as well. You can see the prices as well. So let's go to yearly. In the yearly you also have some kind of discount. You can see the essential prices here much lesser than the monthly ones. And that was how exactly you can swipe your face in this Pixel. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.